I'm Tyler Martinson, and this is my bike check. I have a Sabroso Lethem frame with some stock Odyssey forks right here, these things. And I have S&M Grand Slam extra light bars with a Alien Nation hub on a Alien Nation rim. And in the back I have a Black Label rim and a stolen roulette hub. And then I have Madeira Protocol HT cranks with a Black Label sprocket, KMC heavy duty chain, Odyssey pedals, some shitty seat, I don't know what it is, a friend gave it to me. Have this premium front load, I like it, but about to get a top load. Have S&M grips, Randy Brown, and shadow peg, and another shadow peg, and don't know what the other front one is. Have a shadow hub guard, and a Sputnik bottom bracket set, and that's my how-to. Fuck, what is this?
Bike check.
This is my bike check. Turn it off.